I always wanted to have a corner where I can take pictures of my craft items. So in this video I am going to show you how you can make a corner in your home and took pictures for your craft items. So without talking much, let's start this video. Here I took knit fabric that you can collect from any shop near your locality. My table is 18 by 12 inch, so I take extra 10 inch long in both sides. Now it's time to make some tassel for the cover. All tassels are ready, and now I will join it with the surroundings of this cover. place for me, and I am thinking to make up my tiny balcony with this table arrangement. that you will see in my next video. Hope you enjoyed this video and give a big thumbs up for this video. I will be very soon with a new video, and till then stay beautiful.